Hello friends, I am back again with another tutorial. The disk structure is corrupted and unreadable. F drive is not accessible. In this tutorial, we'll be fixing this issue. So when you click on your pen drive, once you insert, you're going to see this error. So the very first step, what you're going to do, you can see the start icon. Here's the start icon in your PC. So you have to just give a right click on your start icon and then choose command prompt admin. So you have to open the command prompt as an administrator. So you can see here's the command prompt administrator. Now what you're going to do here, you just have to type the command chkdsk space. You can pause the video and zoom it in a full screen and it will be clearly visible. Now here is the F colon. So what is that F colon? So F is my F drive. You can see currently my pen drive is in F drive. So I've just typed over there chkdsk space F colon. So in your case, you're gonna have to type your drive later, whether your pen drive is in F drive or A drive, B drive, C drive, whatever. And then you're gonna put the space and /F. Now, once you have done that, you're going to check out whether it's working fine or not. If not working, your pen drive is still having the issue, you can proceed to the next step. So the next step is you're going to open the same command prompt as an administrator and then type the command chkdsk, your pen drive later, so it's F drive colon, and then you just have to type /r. And now once you are done, you just have to go back and check it out if it is working fine. Still having the issue, problem is not solved, you can just proceed to the third step. So again, open the command prompt as an administrator, type the command chkdsk / you're going to type chkdsk /x and /f, and F colon is the pen drive. My drive letter is F. So I've told you, in your case, you're going to type your drive letter. So my pen drive is in F drive. So chkdsk /x /f and then your drive letter. After doing this, check it out if it's working fine or proceed to the next step. So we are on fourth step now. So give a right click on your pen drive and go to properties. So in properties, you're going to select tools. And then guys, you have option to check. So you have to click on check. So in my pen drive right now, in this case, it's not working. But if in your case, if this option is working for you guys, you can check it. You can click on check and you can proceed with the checking, and you're going to come back and check if your problem is solved. So even this fixed the issue sometime. In my case, it's not working. In your case, also not working. Proceed to the next step. This is the fifth step. So the fifth step is my computer or this PC. You just have to give a right click on it and then you're going to click on manage. So when you give a right click on it, you have a option. In that option, you're going to see manage. So you can see is the manage when you click a right click on this PC or my computer. So if you're using Windows 10, there must be this PC. So in manage, you have a disk management. So click on disk management. And then you will see all the disks that you have in your PC. So this is the removable disk pen drive, and even you can recognize with a drive letter, and or you can recognize as a removable pen drive if you have a multiple number of pen drive in your PC, or you can recognize with the size of your pen drive. So you can see it's around 28 GB. It's my pen drive, one that is not working. It's raw, and give a right click on that, and then you're gonna change the drive letter. So click on change the drive letter. So you click on change and select the different drive letter. Changing the drive letter also sometimes fix the issue. So click on yes. And then you can see the drive letter. Okay, whatever error message comes, you can click on OK. Now I've changed the drive letter to drive M. So you can see my drive letter is changed now. Now I have a pen drive as a drive M. I was having the drive F as on my pen drive. Now my pen drive is in drive M. So changing the drive letter also works sometime. If it do not work, what you're going to do, you just have to proceed to the next step. So the next step is get the pen drive out of your PC and try it out on another PC. So this is the next step that you're going to try. The step 6th. So in 6th step, what you're going to do, you're going to get the pen drive out of your PC and just try it on another PC. Let's see if it is working. Sometimes some pen drive will not be working on one PC. When you insert it into another PC, it will be working. So there might be some problem with the PC and the pen drive. So you're going to try in another PC if it is working fine or not. If it is still having the issue, you can proceed to the 7th step. The 7th solution, you can see is this PC or my computer. Click on manage again. So give a right click on it and click on manage. So when you click on manage, you have to go to the device manager. Inside device manager, you're going to click on disk drive. So you can see this is my pen drive. You can recognize your pen drive. You have to recognize your pen drive in a disk drive. So whatever disk drive you have in your PC, you'll be seeing the list over there. So you have to uninstall it. Give a right click on your pen drive and uninstall it. See, you have successfully uninstalled your pen drive. Now once you have uninstalled your pen drive will not be visible in your computer. So you just have to get the pen drive out of your PC. Now you can remove the pen drive out of your PC and insert it back again. As soon as you insert, whatever error message appears, click on OK and you can see here's the pen drive. And again having the error. As it's unaccessible, it's corrupted, unreadable. So proceed to the 8th step. If this also do not fix your issue, proceed to the 8th step. So the 8th step is guys same. You come back to the same place, computer management, as you again go to the device manager, and then you're gonna search for disk drive. Again, you're gonna select your pen drive, give a right click on it, and then you have to update your driver. So the updating driver also do not work. Proceed to the 9th step. So it will automatically search for the driver and install it if any new update is available. So your PC must, you have to connect it to the internet. You can see if you are using a Windows 10, you can see search for the update driver on Windows Update. So you can close it and check it out if problem is solved. Still not solved. What you're gonna do, again come back to the same place, give a right click on your pen drive, again click on update. So when you click on it, just wait for a while. You're gonna see the option search for the update driver on Windows Update. You have to click on that and it will take you to the Windows Update page. So you have to update your Windows. Once you update your Windows, if any update is available for the driver, it will check for the update and automatically install with the Windows Update. Make sure that your PC is connected to internet. So even doing this step helps sometime. So doing all this still not working. We have a number of things to try. So do not worry guys, we're going to fix this issue. Proceed to the next step. So you just have to give a right click on your pen drive and then format it. So this is the 9th step we are trying. So you just have to format it as NTFS or FAT32 or EXFAT. You can try NTFS in the beginning because for your PC, NTFS is good. You can choose the quick format and then click on start to format it. When you click on start, a warning will appear. Click on OK and it will format your pen drive. So it might wipe out everything from your pen drive when you format it. Currently, I'm not formatting it because formatting might fix the issue, and I have several other steps that I would like to show to you guys. So at last, I'll definitely format it and I'll show you. So currently, you can try this step, but be careful guys. It will wipe out everything. You can follow these steps 3 times. You can format it as NTFS, FAT32 and EXFAT. So try all these 3 options, see which one work for you. One the either way may help you. Sometime you just have to remove the quick format. When you remove the quick format, it might take half an hour or 1 hour to format because it formats so slowly. So select the option, remove the quick format and then format it. So quick format do not fix the issue. You can remove the quick format, format it slowly and then check it out if problem is solved. So you can try formatting quick format and on checking the quick format. So you can format in 3 different ways as NTFS or FAT32, or if you are option to EXFAT, you can even try to format to the EXFAT. So this steps is also to format the pen drive guys. You can just watch the tutorial and do it as it is. Just type the command as it is and you can format with the command prompt. So even all those steps do not work, try formatting it with the command prompt. Or if you have a formatting issue also, you can format it with the command prompt. So in a command prompt, when you type the list text, it will show you the option. You can see my disk 2 is the pen drive. It's a 28 GB. So you can recognize with the size. So recognize your pen drive. Be careful if you do not recognize and you format some other drive. So your other drive files might go away. So my disk2 is a pen drive. It's a 28 GB pen drive I've inserted and it's not working. So I'll select the disk. So you can see select disk2 is the second steps. Disk2 is the selected disk now. So that one is my pen drive disk2. Now you're gonna type clean and then press enter key. After that, you're gonna type create partition primary and then press enter key. And then you're gonna type active and then press enter key. Now you can see the Diskpart is active now. So now you have to select the partition. So select partition 1. You'll see the message partition 1 is the selected partition. Now you have to type the command format fs equals NTFS or FAT32 or exFAT. So it's good to format using NTFS if it is for the PC. If it is for your mobile device, you can format it with the FAT32. So you can type the command format fs equals NTFS. So currently typing this command, I'll not press enter key because I have a lots of steps to show to you guys, because if I format it, so I can't show you other steps, but at the end I'll definitely format it. But if you want to, so you have to format guys. So this is the steps you can try, but be careful, formatting it will wipe out everything from your pen drive. And even also you guys, if you wipe out everything from your pen drive, if formatting is only the option, even you can recover the file. There is a great chance that you recover all your files from your pen drive again, even after formatting. So you can see, you can type the command format fs equals NTFS. So you have to use the third-party software to extract the file from your formatted pen drive if you have a lots of useful files. So there's a lots of chance that you get the file from pen drive file, lots of files from your pen drive that you after formatting, but some of the files you might not get also. So be careful. So otherwise you can try several other steps or and then at last you can format it if none of the steps work for you. And that is only the option. You'll have only one last option, that you can recover your file with the recovery software. So after you have formatted, so I have not done the formatting work. So if you want to format, you can just type format fs equal to NTFS and it will take an hour or half an hour to format your pen drive. After you have successfully formatted, you're going to type assign and then press enter key, and that will assign some letter to your pen drive. ASSIGN assign, you can see after this command, after fs equal to NTFS, after formatting, you can type that. Now you can see it is asking me to format the disk. So I'll not format the disk now. So when it asks you to format the disk, you just have to format it. So choose the option format to format the disk now. Currently, I'll cancel it. So this is the steps. This steps is just to format the disk. Lots of problem is solved by formatting the disk. If you are not being able to format directly, you can format it with the command prompt. So formatting was the 9th step guys. So I'll definitely format it at the end. So if you want to try several other options other than the format, let me show you guys what are the several other steps you can try. So we proceed to the step 10. So the step 10 is using the software. I'm using one software. You can see guys, I'm just formatting it now, and it has successfully formatted. And you can see my pen drive is working fine now. I can open it, but I've lost all the files from my pen drive. See all the file I have lost from my pen drive now. So formatting my pen, after formatting my pen drive started working, but I have lost all the files that I was having in my pen drive. But I can recover that file using a software. So you can see this is the 10th step you can try. So try this step before formatting, guys. If you don't want to format your pen drive, so that is the last option you can try. So before formatting, if you want to try several other options, check it out. If your pen drive is working, you can try this option. So formatting is the last option. You can visit the web and you can search for the AOMEI partition assistant. You can Google it and you'll get the web, and you just have to download the software and install it. Once you install it, you can open the software and you'll see the list of disks will appear in the home screen itself. So you can select your pen drive. You can see disk 3, 28 GB, and it's a drive later. It's definitely my pen drive. Give a right click at it, advance, and then check partition. So give a right click on it, and then you can go to advance, and then you're going to select check partition. So currently two options are it's grayed out, it's not highlighted. So I'll go with the third option, but if it is not grayed out, you're going to choose the first option. Since I have formatted, my pen drive is almost working. So you can do the quick check, or you can just remove the check mark from the, you can just uncheck this quick check and it will check the slowly. So it's good to give some time and let it check slowly. So all the parts are green, that means it's normal. If it is a red part, means that is damaged. That particular part is damaged. So you can check it out. So currently I have formatted it. My pen drive is working fine. So all the part is grayed out. So you can see, go to advanced, check partition. You're going to choose the first option if it is not grayed out and it's available for you. So this software is even available as a free and premium. You can download the standard version if you want to use for free, or you want to use the more features, you can just go with the premium one. So try this option before formatting. So this software is the one way you can just fix the issue. So this is the last option. If you have formatted your pen drive and you have lost all the software, so you can Google as recover. Recover, you can just browse the internet, open the browser, and you can search for recover. So recover is a software that will help you to recover the deleted files. So the formatting this software is also available as a free version and the professional one. Professional one you have to buy. The free version is available with some of the features restricted. And you can download the free one and you can try it out. If you want, you can even go with the premium one if you are looking for the more features. Now you can see, once you have downloaded the software, you can just run it, give a double click on it, and then install it. So install the software and you have to run the software. And also, you guys, how do you recover the deleted files? So the formatting is the last option. If you have formatted your pen drive and your pen drive is working fine, you can recover the deleted files. Now you have to run the software. So click on Run Recover to run the software. So this is a thank you information. And here you can just close that. And here you have a welcome wizard. When you run the software, click on next. And what you want, whether you want all the files to recover, you want to recover picture, music, and whatever. So currently I just want to recover the video files, and currently I have checked for all files. Now you're going to select the drive from where you want to recover. So G drive is the drive from where I want to recover this from pen drive. And then you can even run the deep scan. So let it scan. It's gonna take some time to scan. So it might take half an hour or it might take an hour depending upon the size of your files. So how many files you are having in your pen drive you're trying to extract or recover. So you can see it has found this many files that has been deleted from the pen drive. Now you can see some files are in a good condition. So green color means all those files are in a good condition and it can be recovered. All are in excellent condition. Some files are in a poor condition. It might be recovered, it might not be recovered. So this happens when you format your pen drive. There's a great chance that you can recover your files. If it is the last option, what you guys gonna do? So you maybe if you are lucky, your pen drive also you'll get back. It will be working great, and even you can recover all your deleted files with this software. So both the benefits to you guys. If it is the last option, if your pen drive is not working again back with any things, doing all those steps, you can just format it as the last option. Now you can select the files which all you want to recover, or you can select almost all the files if you want to recover almost all the files. Now some of the files, video files I want to recover, so I've just selected it and I'm just going to recover it now. So click on recover and then select the path where you want to save those files after recovering. So I'm just going to select the music folder. I want all those files in my music folder. So all the files will be recovered and saved in a music folder. Click on OK to recover. Now give some time to recover those files. Now you can see fully recovered 9 files and partially recovered 1 files. So it has recovered total 10 files. Now what I'm gonna do, I just have to check it out. You can see in my music folder, I have all those files that I have recovered, video files. So there is a great chance of recovering your files. It's a great chance of your files to be in a good condition, your files to be working. This is the last option that you can try, formatting and recovering the file using a software. So another step that you can try before going to format it. So if your pen drive is giving all these options as a security, so give a right click on pen drive and go to properties and then click on security. So if you're getting the option security, when you give a right click on your pen drive and go to properties, so click on security, and sometime the permission will be restricted. You can see that everyone has a allowed full control over here. So you have to click on everyone. It's a user and then click on edit. So once you click on everyone and then click on edit, you'll have this option. Now you can see the full control is given to everyone. So everyone can access the pen drive in all the PC. If it is denied, people will not be able to access the pen drive in all the PC, but only the specific user will be given the permission. So click on add and then you just have to click on advanced and then you just have to check it. You just have to click on check and you have to check for everyone. If you're going to see everyone in the user list, so select everyone and then click on OK. Once you click on OK, you're going to see that everyone is underlined. So everyone will be given the permission now. Or you can just type everyone and then click on check now, check name. It must be underlined. That means everyone user is available and it is selected. It's correct. Or you can go with the second option. You can manually search for the user. As you can see, is the option highlighted, and then you can select the everyone and make sure that you allow everyone the permission so that you can use the pen drive in all the PC and everyone can access the pen drive. So sometimes the permission will be restricted and pen drive will be given the access to only few users in the few PC, so you'll not be able to access. So this is the steps that you can try if it is user restricted and you are not being able to access your pen drive. And then after following all these steps, your pen drive is working fine. It's great, guys. I hope it helped you guys, and it's really helpful. Still, it's not working for you guys. What you can do, you can go to the nearby electronic shop and get help from them. Still, they cannot also help you. You can just throw your pen drive in a dustbin and get another one. There's no other option, guys. If trying all these steps also do not work, you went to the electronic shop, they also could not fix the issue. What are you going to do, guys? You just have to purchase the new one. You just have to put it in a trash now. So what are you going to do? Try all these steps. If this tutorial really helped you guys, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. So guys, have a good day. Catch you in the next video.